Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Crypto 365 account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in crypto365web.com and click on enter. Now, you will be directed to official homepage of Crypto 365. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login button. Click on it. Then a login page will appear where you need to type in a valid username which is associated with your Crypto 365 account. After that, type in your password here. Now click on sign in now button to log into your Crypto 365 account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget password link and follow the procedures to recover it. You can also click on show link here to view your password to make sure that you have typed the password correctly. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.